Do you want to create wildly profitable affiliate marketing business in just 30 days and earn at least $5,000 every month? There is a great opportunity for you in this video to start your highly profitable affiliate marketing business in just 30 days and earn at least $5,000 every month, where you will be guided at every step. You will get all the tools and software to start your business, where 90% of the stuff already done for you. So just keep watching this video till the end. Hello everyone, and it's day 6 of Cash Flow Challenge. Today I will share with you an inspiring story of a successful 8-figure entrepreneur. Also, I will tell you about that great opportunity so that you can start your own affiliate marketing business in just 30 days. So first, I want to share an inspiring story of 8-figure successful entrepreneur who had a debit of $30,000, but now he earns $11,000 per day with affiliate marketing. Yes, he earns around 8 lakh per day with affiliate marketing. But why I want to share this story with you? Because most of the people don't believe that they can build $1 million business with affiliate marketing. That's why they failed in affiliate marketing. They failed in their online business. Because first you need to believe that you can build $1 million business. One more important point, with belief, you also should have right strategy to build your business. Now I will tell you how he built his empire and also how can you get to his complete business model to build your empire. So the person I'm talking about, his name is Vixterius and he is my mentor. From him I am learning affiliate marketing. I am also using his complete business model to build my business. He started working online in 2005 when he got to know about affiliate marketing or internet marketing. He was so desperate to start affiliate marketing because he wanted to live a financially independent life. So he borrowed $30,000 and joined a direct selling company to promote that company product. He joined as an independent affiliate. When he started, he knew nothing about affiliate marketing, like how to sell, how to get traffic. Just like as a beginner, he also knew nothing about affiliate marketing. So he invested $20,000 in that company and also in promoting product. But unfortunately, he made 0 sales. And that time was a difficult time for him because he already leave his job. He has no money, no job, nothing. But he was so determined to be successful. He failed miserably for the next 8 months. He failed many times. There was a time when he didn't have even 1 cent to buy a piece of bread to feed his family. But he did not quit, and now he earns $11,000, around 8 lakh per day with affiliate marketing. My main motive is here to tell you how he did it, how he became so successful, how he built his $1 million business. What he did exactly? He changed his business model. After trying different strategies, different system, he found a system that completely changed his life. And you also can get the system for your business. That will I tell you, but before that I want to tell you about that system. Like what is in that system? I already told you much about that system in these 5 days, because I also have that system. Like I told you about great products that people actually want to buy. Strategy to choose great products. After that I told you about hub-based business model. Now this is an exclusive system. No one knows about this system. No one have this system. But you have a chance to get this system for your business. After that, I told you about funnel. How can you create highly profitable funnel in just 10 minutes? Used by top marketers. And this is just an overview. There is a much more in this complete system. You can create multiple streams of income on the day 3 when I told you about hub based business model. If you want to know everything in detail, if you want someone who earns $11,000 per day to help you to build your affiliate marketing business in just 30 days and earn at least $5,000, where you will be guided at every step. You will get all the tools and software to start your business, where 90% of the stuff already done for you. You will get pre-built funnels, already written emails, just like I show you on day 4. I don't need to build that funnel. I just need to copy and paste that code to make my funnel. I will got all this thing already done from this system. Also, you can make your hub in just few minutes. So if you want complete this system for your business, if you want a step-by-step action plan for your business, then you can join Success Challenge. I will give you complete details about this challenge. So this is the Success Challenge that you can join to launch your wildly profitable affiliate marketing business in 30 days, and you can easily earn $5,000 in 30 days with this system, because this is the complete look over the implementation system. You know, most of the people know what they should do, but they lack in implementation. They don't know how to implement. So this is the system where you will be guided at every step. You will know what you need to do next. You just need to follow this system, this course step by step. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to buy any other course after this course. This is the complete system for affiliate marketing. And there is zero stress, zero frustration for you when you join this challenge. This is not just a course you will get. This is a complete system you will get. So when you join Success Challenge, you will get 12 months free membership of eStage. You can access eStage for 12 months. You don't need to pay for that. As I show you on day 3 how you can create your own hub in just 10 minutes with so much ease. So on eStage you can create multiple hubs, 100 of projects you can create. You can create any funnel you want to create in just a few minutes. That's how I made a highly profitable funnel in just 10 minutes on day 4. Also, there is unlimited hosting available on the eStage. You don't need to buy any other domain when you have eStage. The most important thing is you can own your custom domain. You have your authority here. There are a lot more features on the eStage. You can create your stunning hub online. You can create any blog page, any website, single website, webinar funnel, 2-step funnel, 3-step funnel, any landing page, any opt-in page with so much ease. In just few minutes you can create anything with eStage. So this is such an exclusive system that you can get when you join Success Challenge. So the value of Success Challenge is $1,997 and the value of eStage is $3,564. So the total value is $5,561. But you don't have to pay for that. There is a special offer for you which I'll tell you in the video later, because there is a lot more thing in the Success Challenge that you will get. With Success Challenge you will also able to access 12-month ShikiBoom network membership. So with Success Challenge you will also be able to get 12-month free membership of ShikiBoom private network. So this is a private network where you will get top offers already ready. There is a marketing system already ready for you that will sell for you 24/7. You just need to pick an offer you want to promote and you can start making money from day 1. The value of ShikiBoom network is $1,164. The value of ShikiBoom network is $1,164, but you will get it free when you join Success Challenge. So now the actual value is $6,725, but I told you there is a special offer for you. The next big thing you will get with the Success Challenge is Affiliate Marketing Academy. When you completed 30 days in Success Challenge, you will be upgraded to Affiliate Marketing Academy. You will be graduated to Affiliate Marketing Academy, and this is the big stuff, really big stuff, because from this you can scale your business up to $100,000 per month. In Affiliate Marketing Academy you will learn that stuff that scale your business up to $100,000 per month. This is an advanced affiliate marketing. The value of Affiliate Marketing Academy is $2,997. You will get it free with Success Challenge. Now what about traffic? Because if you don't have traffic, you cannot run your business. Along with the Success Challenge, Internet Traffic Mastery. You will become master after this course. Internet Traffic Mastery. It is the mastery course on traffic. You will get master when you get this course. This is the signature traffic mastery course. This is the best course in the world about traffic. This course will open floodgates of laser targeted traffic to your website, to your funnel. Yes, laser targeted traffic you can get to your website, to your funnel. You will get strategies to get fastest traffic. Now the actual value of this complete system is $11,719, but it is not end here. There is some exclusive bonuses also available for you that I am going to tell you. There are some exclusive bonuses also available from my side that I also tell you in this video. The first bonus you will get when you join Success Challenge is done for you marketing funnels. As I told you, system work, people fail. You will get your personally fully automated selling machine that will sell product for you. Also, it builds your list automatically. It also does presenting, selling and converting for you. You can create multiple streams of passive income with this. You will be able to earn while building your business. The value of bonus one done for you funnel is $10,000 that will also added in this Success Challenge. Remember, you don't have to pay this much amount money. The next bonus is list building mastery. As we know, email list is an asset for our business. This is the master course on list building. This course will tell you how you can turn your cold visitors into hot subscribers and how can you build a huge responsive list. The next bonus you will get is copywriting and communication mastery. As we know, communication is such an important skills that you must have, because if you are doing sales calls, you must have a great communication skills to seal that deal, and this course will make you irresistible in the marketplace. You will get to learn advanced skill relating to copywriting and communication. The next bonus you will get, that is conversion mastery. This mastery will tell you how you can sell even without selling. You will get to know hidden secrets that used by top marketers to turn their leads into sales very quickly. Its value is $997. Now the total value is, along with the 4 bonuses, is $24,700. Wait, there is one more bonus available for you, that is tribe building mastery. This is something exclusive. In this mastery, you will learn how to become the most influential person in your space, how you can turn your customer into your fans. Remember, fans and customer are different. You can turn your customers into your fans. Also, you can build your business just like Apple. Big companies like Apple, Tesla, 4%, Hurley, Gymshark. So its value is $997. Now the total value is, along with the 5 bonuses, $25,707. You will get all this system. You just need to join Success Challenge. You don't need to pay for any other things. You need to invest only $1,997. This is a one-time payment for this complete system. You will get Shikiboom Network for 12 months, Affiliate Marketing Academy, Internet Traffic Mastery, and there are 5 bonus that are exclusive. So you will get this complete system only at $1,997. There are installment plan also available. First plan is 5 pay option. You need to pay $497 for the next 5 months. The other is 10 pay option. There is 10 payments of $297 for the next 10 months. It means if you join today, you need to pay $297, and there is 9 more payments of $297 that you need to pay every month for the next 9 months. There are some exclusive bonuses that you will get from my side when you join Success Challenge. And these are the bonuses that you get from my side when you join Success Challenge. The first bonus you get, that is one-on-one coaching call. The next bonus is you will get direct support of private Telegram group. It is a private Telegram group for the people who wants to learn, who wants to grow in their life. The other bonus is strategy to get first 100 hard followers on Instagram in just 7 days. I got my first 100 followers, which is hard, in just 7 days. So I will share with you the same strategy I used to get my first 100 followers. Then email templates, this will save you a lot of time. The next is case study of successful marketers. I will share with you case studies of successful marketers so that you will also get to know their strategy, their state of mind. Next is 30-day mindset training. Now this is very important because 80% mindset and 20% is only work. Then my lead generation strategy, how I generate leads for my business. All these bonuses you will get free of cost when you join Success Challenge. How can you join Success Challenge? Just click on the link below this video. Then choose your payment plan, make your account, add your information, add your name, email address, then add your payment information. Then click on the complete your order. After that, you will receive a confirmation email from the 4%. Then you also need to send a receipt on my email address that you will find below this video so that I can give you all these bonuses. So this is the complete system you will get when you join Success Challenge. You just need to join Success Challenge, which value is $1,997. When you join Success Challenge, you will get 12-month free membership of eStage, you will get Shiking Boom Network, you will get Affiliate Marketing Academy, also you will be able to master traffic, Internet Traffic Mastery course. There are also 5 exclusive bonuses available with the Success Challenge. This is the most affordable system that you can get, and no one had this exclusive system that you can get. If you want to join Success Challenge, just click on the link below this video and you are ready to change your life. See you soon in the next video.